Hi everyone, in today's tutorial I'll show you how to crochet this infinite star. This star looks very simple but the loops flow endlessly. That's why I call it the infinite star. Tell me in the comments what would you name this star. Let me show you how to make it step by step. For this tutorial I'm taking cotton yarn. This is 100% pure cotton yarn. Weight 3 lightweight yarn. So I'm taking in two colors. You can use acrylic yarn also, but just make sure your hook is compatible with your yarn. We will start by making a regular slip knot. So to make a slip knot, hold your yarn like this. This end should be towards your right hand side. Now take this end and twist it once like this and then fold. You can now see tail and the working yarn. Slowly grab the working yarn holding the tail. This forms a slip knot. After making a slip knot, 61 chains. So to make a chain, yarn over, pull up a loop. This is the first one. Second one, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. So keep making chains. So make 61 chains and then I'll tell you what to do. After making 61 chains, we will change the color. So this is the last chain. Now slowly drag the loop of the second color here and pull this. Keep this tail and this like this. Hide them while you work. So after that, we will skip the first chain. You can see this is the first chain. Into the second chain, we will make a single crochet. So skip one chain and then into the second chain, make a single crochet. Into the next chain, make a single crochet. Three, four, five, six, seven. After making 7 or 8 single crochets, we will trim this. Keep making single crochets. Make 11 single crochet. So far we made 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So after making 11 single crochets, into the next chain here, into the next chain here, we will make 3 single crochet in the same chain gap. So insert your hook, make a single crochet, second one and third one. After that, we will repeat this sequence 5 times. Make 11 single crochets and 3 single crochet in the next chain. So make a single crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. After making 11 single crochet, in the next chain we will make 3 single crochet in the same chain. So insert your hook, yarn over, make your first single crochet, and then into the same chain, second single crochet, into the same chain, make 3 third single crochet. So what we are basically doing here is we are making this peak points, so high points of the star. So these are the high points of the star. So after making 3 single crochet in the same chain, we will again make 11 single crochets. After making 11 single crochets, into the next chain we will make 3 single crochet in the same chain gap. So 1, 2, 3. Again make 11 single crochets. After making 11 single crochet, into the next chain we will make 3 single crochet in the same chain gap. So 1, 2, 3. After making 3 single crochet, we will make 11 single crochets again. So after making 3 single crochet in the same chain gap, we will make 11 single crochets again. After making 11 single crochet into the last chain, you can see here we will make 3 single crochet in the last chain gap. So 1, 2 and 3. After making 3 single crochets in the last chain, we will chain 1, cut your yarn. Leave a lengthy tail so we can use the same for final finishings. Slowly remove the yarn to secure your work. So to assemble them together, keep it like this. These ends should be towards the downside, and then take this and this to make like this. And now slowly pass this one underneath like this, and then take this and pass it under this one. And now we will sew them together. To sew them together, take a tapestry needle or a big guy needle. Insert the lengthy tail here. And now you can see the first single crochet chain of this one. So insert your needle there and pull up a loop. And now after pulling the yarn, bring the needle towards the front part. Insert your hook in the last single crochet here. After finishing, we will tie these ends into a permanent knot. And just trim out the excess yarn. Then arrange it properly. You can use it as a keychain. You can see how the finished star will look like. Hope you like this tutorial. If you do, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And if you have any suggestions for improvement, please comment them in the comment section. Thank you. Thank you so much for watching.